Japanese bees are dying at an alarming rate. Over 90% of all bees in Shikoku, Japanese bees, and they're away from rice fields and everything else, are dying. They're saying it's because of something called Dina or Varroa mite. I don't think so. It's something else that's killing them. The problem is there's no habitat for them. You may think, well, there's plenty of habitat. No, there isn't, because all these, there's some old wood. You see all the colors changing. This is an old wood forest, but over there, that's cypress. And what they're doing is they're cutting all the trees down, whether it's for mushrooms or whatever. These old hardwood trees just aren't there for the bees to be wild. So if we want the Japanese bees to be wild and sustainable, then we have to build hives like this. This is a very simple hive. You can see my videos, but it was left over. I simply cut the top off. I cut out the middle. I planed it out and then broke it out. Imagine every time you clear an area like this, you set up 2 to 3 hives. So we can reestablish hives and maybe an organization, that goes out there, volunteers, that builds these hives. The guys that cut these trees could probably make these really, really easily. This is actually my first one. Pretty proud of it. Let's hope it gets a bee.